In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make money online using this app by receiving and sending SMS. So let's get started. Go over to your Google browser and type in Cash for SMS right here on your Google browser. Then you search. Then click on Cash for SMS right here. It's going to open up to this section. And then you click on install the app. Click on install the app. Then you click on download. Download anyhow. It's going to take some time to download the app right here. As you can see, you cannot download it directly from the Google Play Store. Then you click on install. Then you can go now to your phone and you open the app and you sign up and you begin to make money. You click on done. Then you go back to your phone and you go to the app. You open the app right here. Then you select your country from this drop down arrow. Then you sign up. You follow the sign up process to sign up for an account. Click on this arrow right here. And you select your country and you agree to the terms and conditions. You enter any code being sent to you. You follow the sign up process. Then it will lead you now to the dashboard section. As you can see, this is it right here. They say greetings from the Cash for SMS team. Take a minute to explore stories. Here you can see there are outgoing SMS and there are incoming SMS, which you begin to receive and you make money. How do outgoing SMS work and incoming SMS? They say we will be sending you SMS to different countries: UK, Latvia, Taiwan. Check if your mobile plan include SMS and all the like. We have a dynamic payout system for SMS from €5 to €3. It depends on the access that your mobile carrier has, and if you receive any of your SMS during the access test, you are welcome to use Cash for SMS. As you can see right here, this is just to illustrate to you how this particular app function and how you can begin to make money by receiving SMS and also sending SMS, which the site will be the one responsible in sending the SMS to different countries, which I will be showing you subsequently. They say we need to check the performance of the SMS channel for operators. For example, there we will send you SMS with random text. If you receive them, it means that the SMS channel is working correctly, and we will pay you €2 for each SMS received. Important, we do not guarantee that you will receive SMS, so you will not always receive it as constant as possible. They say content providers and integrators need to test SMS channel all over the world to learn how stable they are. So this is the purpose for this app, to test how stable these SMS companies work. And then they say we will be paying €2 for each SMS that you receive from us, and the payment is being done through PayPal. All you need to do is to click on go to settings and you put in your PayPal details, and each time you need to cash out, everything will be done. But you need to enable all the SMSs for you to be able to receive SMS on your phone. I'm just going to go ahead and show you. You click on try out in order to enable incoming SMSs. As you can see, these are the different countries which they will be sending SMSs. As you can see here, Spain, Sweden, Taiwan, France, Fiji, Samoa, United Kingdom. Click on yes. Yes, I understand. Then it's going to take some time. You click on access check. You want to make your mobile phone to allow the receiving and everything of SMS. You take allow. Then as you can see, this is it here. So each time you will be able to receive SMS or to send SMS through this app, which the app will be the one responsible. Then here, these are the statistics of everything that you will be earning. Here, this is the income, and here, this is support. When you have any question, you can reach out to them through this tab. Then on the account section here, this is where you put in your details, account. You click on payment method and you see PayPal right here, and they pay a maximum monthly payout of one PayPal account, like 150 euros, and you can connect even up to 3 cash for SMS account to one PayPal account, and you still receive. And this is where you enter all the details of your PayPal account right here in order to receive your funds. And remember that the SMSs that you receive, you can delete them as well, and you get paid. Hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel and check the link of how to sign up for an account with this site on the description box below. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe by smashing on that red subscribe button and the notification bell for more content, and also share with your friends and loved ones.